Hi friends, I'm Ramu here, and today we have a special guest. She is Sai Panchbhai. Sai is a famous Bal Kirtankar of Maharashtra, and she has performed her kirtana almost throughout Maharashtra. So we'll have a discussion on that. I have some curious question I'll ask her. So in the beginning, I invite Sai Panchbhai over here. So good afternoon, Sai.
Good afternoon.
How are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
Also nice. Okay. Well, Sai, uh, you are a very famous Bal Kirtankar, we know. So, how many kirtan have you performed in your career?
I performed 108 kirtanas till now. Till today.
Okay. Wow. 108.
Yeah.
Yeah. I think they all are in Marathi.
Yeah.
Good. So, when did you perform your first kirtan?
I performed my first kirtan in 2015
Wow.
when I was in second standard.
Great. I don't know how you came in Kirtana in this field particularly.
I was too young to select this art. So this sole credit I give to my father.
Oh, good. So what was the subject of your first Kirtan?
The subject of my first kirtan was the great Lord Krishna.
Good. Well, say, what are the topics of your Kirtana?
See, there are the particular topics of my kirtana, but my favorite topics, which I like too much, are the great Lord Krishna, the great Lord Shri Ram Bhagwan, Eklavya, and the King Shivaji Maharaj are some selected topics I like.
Oh, wow, that's great. Very good. Well, say, it's great, when we see the child of some 7-8 years start her performing kirtana, okay, and now she becomes a popular Bal Kirtankar in Maharashtra, isn't it? Say, I want to ask you one question, where have you performed kirtana in Maharashtra?
There are I performed many of the kirtanas in many of the villages, okay, districts.
District places,
Yeah.
metro places also?
Yeah.
Fine.
But some special kirtanas are there. I performed. The kirtanas are of Hyderabad.
Oh my God! So you performed kirtan in Hyderabad?
Yeah.
That's in Andhra Pradesh?
Yeah.
That's great. Okay, so you crossed the boundaries of Maharashtra.
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
Hyderabad, Pune,
Oh.
Nagpur, Nanded, Chandrapur
Oh.
are some special kirtanas. Means not special, but
Wow, great.
for my that are special.
Good. I had heard that you had performed in Chhindwara also, Madhya Pradesh.
Yeah, in Chhindwara also.
Okay, so you performed your kirtan arts in 3 states now.
Yeah.
Great. Wow. Do you remember the very famous kirtan? Your first very famous kirtan, I do remember that was performed before thousands of people. Can you tell me what was that?
Yeah. I was too small, means I was in second standard, and I was given an opportunity to perform my kirtan in the great and the famous Yavatmal Kirtan Mahotsav in front of 4 to 5,000 people.
Oh my God! 4 to 5,000 people.
Yeah, first time I was opportunity to do that for that
Yes,
kirtana.
but natural, because you are too young.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know. Wow, that's a great thing. So, who assisted you on harmonium and on tabla? Do you remember?
Yeah. On a harmonium, Ganga. No.
Gangadhar Kaka Dev.
Yeah, Gangadhar Kaka Dev.
Uh,
And on tabla, his younger brother.
okay, yeah. I know him. Yeah, he's also Dev,
Yeah, I don't even remember his name, but
Okay.
both were very nice.
Yeah, very famous artist,
And,
Yeah,
yeah.
I do remember. Good. Say, now in Kirtana, it is always seen that they are always found a legacy, tradition, that the grandfather used to perform Kirtana, then father used to perform Kirtana, and then son comes.
Yeah.
About you, is there anyone Kirtan? Is there any Kirtankar in your family?
No, there is no one kirtankar in my family.
Okay, there is no Kirtankar in your family.
Yeah, but my grandfather used to sit in Warkari bhajans, where people used to
Okay,
hand
okay,
big
so
dance.
he used to sing Warkari Kirtan.
Yeah,
So it become very beneficial for you.
yeah, and by his support or he used to hang guitars to so he taught me the method.
Okay.
So it became useful in my kirtan program. But there is no one kirtankar in my house. But
Okay, well, see, it is said without Guru, Kirtan cannot be taught, cannot be learned, okay, cannot be mastered. So how did you master this art? Who is your first Guru? Who taught you Kirtan?
see, my first guru is my father,
Oh.
Shri Ram Panchbhai. Later, many of the great and famous kirtankars guided me. First, Rashtriya Kirtankar, the famous and the great kirtankar Charu Datta Afle.
Oh my God, the very famous Charu
Yeah.
Datta Afre, yeah.
He guided me. Then one more Rashtriya Kirtankar, Appa Marjine Bua.
Yes.
He, I always, in summers, I used to go to his shibir, and yes, he also taught me Smita Tai Azegaonkar.
Yeah,
One of
famous,
the-
famous
yeah.
female Kirtankar.
Yeah, Kuberji Bua.
Mohan
Bua
Pandit ji,
Kuber.
Mohan Bua
Yeah.
Kuberji from Nagpur.
Nagpur.
Yeah.
Okay, he also taught me, and the great and the famous kirtankar who always used to come in Jyoti Mangal Karyalayya, that is Khon Bua.
Oh, Vinod Buaji Khan.
Yeah,
I
Vinod Buaji
also.
Khan.
Yes.
He also taught me my kirtan. He also
Okay,
taught
he
me my
guided
kirtan
you.
journey. Yes. So these are some people.
Wow, so all they are very famous people,
And one more female kirtankar taught me, that is Varsha Ji Bedekar. Okay, so she encouraged me, and she just helped me in my this journey.
Wow, great. So Sai is a blessed, because you see whatever the names she told, they are very popular name in the field of Kirtana. That's a great thing. Sai, I want to come to your academic lifestyle, So in which standard now you are?
Yeah, I'm learning in 7th standard in
Okay.
Yorma Public School.
Oh, you are just in 7th standard
Yeah.
in Yavatmal Public School. That's good. So what are your hobbies and interests rather than Kirtana?
Including Kirtana, my other hobbies are playing cricket, painting, dancing, singing, are some hobbies.
Okay.
I
Well, say I want to ask you that you are going to perform the English Kirtana. Is it true?
Yeah, it's true.
Wow. So I'm very excited to ask you that after Marathi, you are going to perform in English. Okay. Is there any special purpose for this?
No, there is no any purpose. During this lockdown period, means you know how people has stopped their work. They started doing some creative things.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
Started some.
So you got encouraged from them.
Yeah, I thought, why only they cannot do these things.
Okay, so you
I
should.
can also do.
Yeah, yeah.
So I think some different, but kirtan only. Kirtan, but some different.
But in a different language,
Yeah.
in the English language. Okay.
So I thought I should try in English.
Yeah, it's superb.
Yeah.
It's a great thing, great contribution, because I have not heard the English Kirtankar. You could be the first English Kirtankar, that's a great thing. Well, say, what is the central idea of your Kirtana Eklavya?
The central idea of this kirtan of Eklavya, that this kirtan focuses on the studentship of Eklavya and the great relation with his great guru Dronacharya. So this is the central idea of this kirtan.
Wow, great! We'll be happy to listen. Whenever you will perform on the stage. Well, say, you have to put on your patar, okay, and your makeup and all that. You are too young. So who helped you?
Yeah, my mother helped me in my whole makeover.
That's a great. So friends, today we had a very nice discussion with the famous Bal Kirtankar Sai Panchubhai, who is from Yavutmal. Okay, and she has performed more than 100 kirtanas almost all over India. Okay, even out of Maharashtra states and all that. So very first time she is going to deliver her kirtan in English. Okay, and the subject of her kirtan is Eklavya. So she will be coming soon with this English kirtana before all of us. So we'll give her the best luck, say, for your kirtana. Okay, so that like any other kirtana will enjoy and will enjoy your kirtana. So thank you very much. So I take back over here. See you. Bye again.